Hello and welcome to LeadQuizzes, the number one AI quiz maker for marketers. This is Mahad, your customer success manager. So, do you need to capture multiple user preferences or challenges at once? The checkbox question is the secret weapon for gathering rich data. I'll show you how to set it up to personalize follow-ups like pro. In the quiz builder, on the left, you'll see form fields you can just simply drag and drop over onto the content elements. Under the form field, once you're in the form field, you just drag and drop the checkbox and label your question that you're going to ask, which is like which of these preferences do you face, and select the checkbox options like time management, budget constraint, team issues, and technology problems. You can add if you need more, or you can remove if you don't require one. Once you're done, simply save it. Checkbox are great, but don't overdo it. I recommend using only once or twice questions per quiz. Too many can overwhelm your audience and lower your completion rates. Make the field required if you need to. Share this data with the sales team and these answers to the segment. The more you know about their challenges, the better you can personalize your follow up. Checklist questions give you the rich data you need to turn your leads into customers. Still have any questions? Just reply or book a quick call. I'm here to help you succeed. Start building your quiz today with Lead Quizzes and watch your leads and your business grow faster. Thank you.